He had dwarfism and was like 1 meters, 3.2 feet, right? No, it's false. He was in fact 151 centimeters, 5 feet tall, which is short, yet the average height of French men around the year 1900 was 164 centimeters, 5 feet, 4.5 inches. But why was he short? Well, the fact that his parents were first cousins and their parents were first cousins had a negative effect on Toulouse-Lautrec's health. The genetic disease he likely had is called Toulouse-Lautrec syndrome, posthumously after him. Its scientific name is pycnodyssostosis.